Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ann Scarberry. In today's video, I'm going to be straightening up a few things in the kitchen. I'm going to take you along as I reorganize my refrigerator, my napkin drawer, and my pantry. These are some areas of my kitchen that have been bothering me, and I'm just going to jump right in and try to straighten this up. As you see, I love to buy paper napkins for different occasions. I probably have a napkin for every occasion. I get them everywhere, from Dollar Tree to specialty gift shops, TJ Maxx, Home Goods. I get them everywhere. And I keep them. I have decided this is a good way for me to keep them organized. I put them in a Ziploc bag and I just kind of organize them by theme. I try to do this once or twice a year, and I was not able to get to this before Christmas began. So I didn't really know what I had for Christmas when I went into the season. I ended up not entertaining as much as I usually would. I know when I'm shopping after Christmas sales, I'll know if I should grab some more Christmas napkins or hold back since I have plenty. But I like to go through, look at each occasion, see what I'm in need of. I use napkins not only for the reason they were made to be used. I also craft with them quite a bit. I use them for decoupage, decor. I like them sitting on a little dessert cart or a beverage tray. I just love it. I think I said drawer earlier in the video. I've moved from a drawer to a cabinet because I have so many, and I just think this is the easiest way. I start on the top shelf on the left, and I start at New Year's and then into Valentine's and then into spring, Mother's Day, barbecues, summertime. Oh, there's some napkins. Actually, I got those at Aldi a couple of years ago, and that's for the Super Bowl. So that's right up there with New Year's, and then I go all the way down to the bottom through Christmas. And that feels so much better. Now I'm headed over to the refrigerator, and this is one area of my life where if this is cluttered and crowded and chaotic, I just don't function well. And so it was time to throw out this expired food and make way for some cleaner foods. For the new year, I need to do a restock and get some fresh food in there and take inventory of what I have. I think everyone probably has a sourdough starter in the back of their fridge that's starving, but I found mine. Maybe I will revive it, who knows. But once or twice a year, I take out my shelf paper and throw it away and clean off the shelves. And then I replace the paper with new, and just makes it feel fresh and clean. So I'm going to give this all a good scrub down and put some fresh shelf liner in there. I think I kept saying paper. I mean shelf liner. You know what I mean. And that will make it feel nice and clean. This drawer gets a lot of traffic in our kitchen. It's our cheese and meat drawer, and I don't think I've cleaned it out since before Halloween, so it's been pretty neglected. It's nice to get a nice clean canvas to just start over. Like, I don't do like New Year's resolutions or anything, but I do like a fresh reset, and I feel like I do that like throughout the year. If something in my life needs changed, I will pivot and change it. But for cleaning, I like to, maybe that's why I redecorate so much, a fresh perspective of a space. And so now I have this fresh refrigerator that is full of possibilities. I love to cook. I prefer to cook like on a Monday or a Tuesday night when there's no pressure of a holiday. I just like to make a really nice weeknight dinner for no reason. There's no expectations and you can take your time. And I'm excited to get back into just mundane, fabulous meals, if that makes any sense. I could eat salad every day, and for the most part, I make our own salad dressings, but still somehow I manage to accumulate a bunch of bottled dressing. If you know what that stuff is, you're from the Midwest, and you know that Monocle's salad dressing is probably the best out there. Don't tell me any different, because nothing else exists as good as Monocle's dressing. My mom and dad went to Illinois over the holidays, and they brought me back, I think, 5 bottles. So I have a lot of salads in my near future, and I'm super excited. I like these days where I just go in and do a deep clean in certain areas of the kitchen. I'm not really focused on taking down Christmas today. I'm not focused on freshening up the decor on the countertops. I'm kind of putting away Christmas as I go. There's no pressure to get it all done today. And there's no pressure to put up any seasonal decor. I kind of just like keeping it blank for a few weeks. And then I'll gradually get into Valentine's decor in here, kind of freshen it up, make it happy. And for now, I'll enjoy the blank space. My day is about to be over, but I just jumped into the pantry real quick to do a quick straighten up. I didn't do any deep cleaning or cleaning out. Kind of took inventory to see what I have a lot left over, like extra cereal right there or marshmallows. So I just grabbed that stuff and kind of made some snacks for some get-togethers we were going to go to. So I just straightened up in here. It's a lot nicer and calmer, and that's the pantry for now. It didn't need too much, but kind of more just to take inventory and see where I'm at. If you've made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and subscribing and leaving your sweet comments. It really does encourage me to keep producing videos and bringing more content to you guys. I have a lot of ideas ahead. I am excited about some craft projects, some redecorating some spaces in our home. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a thing. I will see you all in the next video.